Hi friends, I'm still on Lanzarote Island. It's a Spanish island off the coast of Morocco. And when I arrived here and looked around, all I see are old dead volcanoes and rivers of lava. And environment here is extremely hostile to humans. There is almost no rain and there is no soil. However, as I walk here on the island, I came to see it's a little bit different. Show you my experience. First of all, this is a volcano, okay? And I came across this area that it seems to me all here around, as far as I can see, there goes to the ocean, are private garden plots. So here we go. What I see here, first of all, this is grape, and I see they grow grape in some kind of pits like that. And grapes looks quite healthy to me. So that's grape. As I keep walking here, I came across this. Look at that. Beans, more beans. This is garlic. I think this is a sweet potato. This is a regular potato. And this is corn. And if you look further there, you can see here peppers. And further there are cherry tomatoes. By the way, this is their irrigation system. In the United States, we call it drip irrigation system. Water here on the island, there is no water here. In 1950s, they made an attempt to build collection system for the water, and they failed because there is not enough rainwater. So all the water here on the island is from desalinated from the ocean water. Now, on the topic of the soil, oh, by the way, there is a more interesting tomatoes there. So I decided to look, what's the soil here? Look at that. It has some kind of a black cover. At first I thought that's black is probably something like organic matter. Turns out not at all. Look at that, it's black gravel. It's all volcanic matter. So I decided to dig in a little bit inside the soil and to see what is there. So, this is volcanic stone. There is no soil here. It's all kind of like, let me see. I think that is it. They have, this is inside is some kind of a volcanic dust. There is no soil whatsoever. I spent hours and hours in my garden trying to build the soil. I create compost piles, I put organic matter, I do soil testing to make sure they have a adequate amount of minerals and right ratio of the minerals. And here, there is no organic matter in the soil. So I have to rethink what actually, how people work here, what they do and what do I have in my garden. Okay, thank you very much. Like, subscribe, bye-bye.